The first task in course cleanup is to address the Files section of your Canvas course. The Files section can be found in the course navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Once you are on the Files page, you will find all course files on the right side of the page located in this area. You will need to go through each file to determine if it should stay in the course or be deleted. Review the instructions posted for this step of the cleanup process for all the considerations when deciding whether or not a file stays or goes. There are a few things to note. Delete any file that contains student data or identifying information. Remember, these courses will be pushed out to live courses in the future. All files within your Blueprint shell will be present in the live course. So if you have a file that has student data or identifying information and it is pertinent to the course content and needs to stay in there, you will need to delete or mask the student identification information or you will violate FERPA laws. You also need to delete any unknown file type. A file type can be identified at the end of the file name. In the example on the screen, the file type is indicated by .pdf. This means it's a PDF file. The following defines common file types that you should probably keep in your course, and it also identifies ones that you probably need to delete. As you can see here, the file extensions for documents include .docs, your Word documents, your Excel spreadsheets, your PDFs, and you may see these ones identified as other. It is best practice to not use RTF or TXT files as they are not ADA compliant. You can easily convert those to documents and PDF files and re-upload those to your course. The next set of file types are your presentation file types. You have your PowerPoint file types, and then the .key is for your Keynote, which is PowerPoint for Mac computers. One thing to note about Keynote presentations is not everybody's computer is going to be able to open it. So it is recommended that you do not have those file types. The image file type, all of them are compatible with all types of devices. And if you need those images in your course, keep them. If you do not, delete them. Video file types are indicated by the extensions shown on the screen. However, it is not recommended that you upload any of these video files to your Canvas course. They may not be able to be uploaded due to file size, and on the student side of things, they may not be able to be downloaded and played. And if their connectivity or their internet is slow, the video may be sluggish or unplayable. It is recommended that you upload all video files to YouTube and share them as a link. Finally, you are going to see some other types of file extensions. Those are just a few that I have come across in cleaning up the courses myself. If you see those, get them out of there. They're not doing you any good. And if you see any others that you don't recognize or don't look familiar, like the ones that were just shown, delete those as well. I have tried to catch all of them. If you see these files in your files area, delete them. The sysrec.pdf is an old system requirements document that has somehow gotten migrated over from Moodle to Canvas. It is old and it doesn't even have our most up-to-date system requirements. Again, I've tried to get them all out of there in my initial cleanup for you, but I may have missed it. Also, I hope I've gotten all the beakers and whatever this image is of this dog. I'm hoping I've gotten all of those. Delete those out of your Canvas course. If you really like those pictures, save them and keep them in your own documents folder on your computer. Remember, the goal is to only have the files you need to have in the course and nothing else. Files take up space, and space affects speed and performance of the site. Lots of space taken equals slow performance. After you have removed unwanted or unnecessary files, create an organization system for your files using folders. You can organize by topic or week, it's your choice. The goal here is to make the files easy for you to locate in the future. Happy cleaning!